to another DIY science experiment session with me, Khushi Gupta. So, let's get started. So, what is the thing that makes the strongest bond of two objects? Suppose we have two books and we need to join those two books. So, what is the material or what is the thing that is required for the bonding of that book that will become the strongest? What is it? Fevicol? Binding? No. The answer is weaving. Confused? Right. Let's quickly move to our workstation and perform an activity to understand this phenomena.
So, the materials required for this experiment are 2 softcover books of the same size. The more pages, the better. So, let's now perform the experiment. Open the covers of each of the book and lie one cover on top of the other, as I am doing. Begin to layer alternate pages of each book on top of back other. The aim is to get as much contact between the book pages as possible. Take your time and do as many pages as you can in the time you have. Keep going until both books are weaved together, as you can see. You may need to push the two book spines towards each other to keep books together and hold the books from the corner. You can take help from your elders as well. Moment of truth. Hold the spines as tight as possible and try to pull the books apart. You'll find it difficult. Try many ways to pull them apart, but they will not.
So, we just performed our activity. What happened? We were not able to, pull that back. Why did that happen? That was just because of friction. Now, what is friction? Friction occurs when two objects touch each other. Then, friction creates. To understand this, let's watch a PPT and make it more clear.
Book friction. So, what happened in the experiment? This demonstration is all about friction. Friction occurs when two surfaces touch each other. The more contact between two surfaces, the more friction. Friction as opposes movement. This means the higher the friction between two surfaces, the harder it is for those surfaces to slide along each other. Reason: by weaving as many books pages as possible together, the two books had a lot of surface area of pages touching each other, and so there was a lot of friction between the book pages. Because there was a lot of friction between the books, you need to apply a lot of force to separate the books. You would have found that the books were much easier to separate. Wiggle the pages to move the pages apart. This wiggling reduces the contact between the book pages and you are able to separate them. Under controlled conditions, it is much harder to separate the books than you might expect.
I hope you kids are all clear with the topic of friction. Do perform this activity at your home with the help of your parents or elders, and do share your videos with us. Bye-bye till the next time.